In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to restore a Snapchat streak without paying in 2023. So watch the video till the very end to learn how to restore a Snapchat streak easily. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do to restore a Snapchat streak is to open the browser on your phone. Now click on the search bar and search for Snapchat support. Open the first result that comes up, and you will see a page similar to this. Now click on the option that says, I lost my Snap streak. After that, click on the three lines at the top right corner of the page and click on the Contact Us option. Now you will have to fill out this form in order to restore your Snapchat streak for free. Choose the fourth option that says, I lost my Snap streak, and scroll down to this section over here. Then choose the second option that says, I'm having trouble restoring my Snap streak in the app. After that, scroll down again to this section called Still Need Help. Choose the option that says Yes from these, and you will be presented with a new set of questions. Scroll down to choose the reason for contacting Snapchat support and select a different issue from the options given. After that, enter your Snapchat username in this box right here. Then enter your email address in this box right here. Now you can enter your phone number in this box, but it's optional. After that, enter the date at which you tried to restore your Snap streak. Don't worry if you don't remember it, just enter an approximate date or leave it blank. Now enter your friend's Snapchat username with whom you maintained the streak. It is important to enter this because without it they won't be able to restore your Snap streak. After that, enter the Snap streak length if you remember it. Now here comes the important part. You'll need to write a description to help get back your Snap streak. Simply enter the same description as I've typed into this box. I'll add it in the video description for you to copy. Once you have entered the description, click on the Submit button, and within 24 hours, you should get your Snap streak back. So that's how you can restore a Snapchat streak without paying in 2023. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you got anything valuable from this video, make sure to leave a like down below. And if you want more of these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. I will see you soon.